Hello students, once again we are here with our chapter number and their operations. And our today's topic is Roman numeral system. We will discuss how we can write the numbers using Roman numeral system, what symbols we use in Roman numbers and what are their values, and how we can make the numbers using these symbols. These things we are going to discuss today. So let's begin with our today's topic. So Roman numeral system is the method of representing different numbers by using 7 symbols as given below. Here are the symbols and their values in Indian numeral and Roman numeral we have been given. These 7 symbols are used to write the Roman numerals and the given Roman numerals in Indian numerals according to their values. Here I represent for 1, V represent for 5, X representing 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. So we have to keep these symbols and their values in mind while writing the Roman numerals and their values. Rules to represent Roman numerals. Here we have different rules to represent Roman numerals. We cannot write the symbols in any of the way. So first of all is, if a Roman numeral is repeated, its value is added. Among the given Roman numerals, only C and M can be repeated but not more than 3 times. And V, L and D cannot be repeated. Okay. So here you can see I we have repeated 2 times, so 1 plus 1 its value becomes 2. If repeat 3 times, value became 3. X when repeated 2 times, 10 plus 10, 20. X repeated 3 times, so it becomes 30. C repeated 2 times, so value of C is 100, so 100 plus 100, 200. When C repeated 3 times, its value becomes 300. Same way with M, its value is 1000. 2 times repetition 2000, 3 times repetition 3000. And we cannot repeat any Roman numeral more than 3 times. That is also one thing to remember. Okay. Next we are having rule 2. If a Roman numeral having smaller value is written to the right of the Roman numeral having greater value, the value of both numeral is added. Means if we are writing a smaller value to the right side of the Roman value, greater Roman value, then the values of both the numerals will be added. For example, V and I is having value 1, V is having value 5, and it is written on the right side though, so value is added. 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. Same way you can see X, I and I. So value is added. Same way L has the value 50, X has value 10, V has value 5. And X and V have been written to the right side of the L. Or you can say V has been written to the right side of X. So the smaller numeral value has been written on the right side, so their value is added. Okay. Rule 3 says, if a Roman numeral having smaller value is written to the left of a Roman numeral having greater value. So if we are writing the smaller value to the left, in rule 2 we have written to the right and added. And if we are writing to the left of the greater value, then its value is subtracted. Okay. For example, here you can see V has value 5 and I has value 1, and I has been written on the left side, so value is subtracted. Same way X and L has value 50, X has value 10. So smaller value is X, so X is written on the left side, so its value has been subtracted. 50 minus 10, 40. Same way here C has the value 100 and x has value 10. X is written on the left side. So 100 minus 10 is 90. Okay, in this way, if we are writing the smaller value to the left of the greater value, then their value will be subtracted. Okay, the value of smaller number will be subtracted. Clear? Then we are having rule 4. The Roman numerals V, L and D cannot be written to the left of the Roman numerals having greater value. So these three numbers V, L and D never written to the left side. They are always written to the right side. Okay. As for example, you can see here Vx is always incorrect. Xv will give us 10 plus 5, 15. LC is never written. CL can give us 100 plus 50 is 150. Same way with DM is incorrect. MD. So we need to keep in mind V, L and D will never be written to the left. Then rule 5. If a bar is placed over a Roman numeral, then its value is multiplied by 1000. Means, for example, you have been given any Roman number and you have a bar over it. As you can see on V, I have placed a bar. This bar means its value is multiplied by 1000. V has the value 5, bar is placed, so multiplied by 1000, it will give 5000. Then X has the value 10, bar over it, so multiplied by 1000, 10,000. Same way, any of the number, for example M is value 1000 and a bar is placed over it, means 1000 multiplied by 1000, and we will be getting 10 lakhs. You need 10, 100, 1000, 10 lakh, 10 lakhs. Okay. In this way, we can write the Roman numerals. Large Roman numerals can be written using this bar option. Okay.